Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at my new summer gear. So it's my first time buying summer gear and we're going to have a look what's in the box here. So enjoy the video today and thanks for tuning in. Right, so we've unboxed our package here and we have our new summer jacket and our new summer jeans. First of all, we have the REV'IT jacket, which I'm absolutely thrilled about. I love REV'IT jackets. It's my first time having them, but I love the look of them. And I said I'd splash out, so it's €140 on xlmoto.ie, and I got the jacket after a bit of fun with the sports bike shop in the UK, where I had to pay €102 import VAT tax. On top of the 211 that I'd paid for the original jacket and jeans, but I refused that, so I didn't get the delivery anyway, and then I got a refund, so I got these for 170 altogether. So like I said, the jacket's 140 and the jeans were €50. So I'm delighted with them. And then obviously that doesn't equate to 170, but I got a discount of XL Moto online as well. I think it was 10% discount. And so that brought it back to what I paid was 170, and that includes shipping as well. So I'm really delighted with it. Took 2 to 3 weeks to come, but well worth the wait. So let's have a look at the jacket. So we have obviously our REV'IT symbols here. We have a REV'IT on the little buttons here, so that's to fasten in, just to tighten it if it's not fitting right, and have a nice little REV'IT badge here as well. Also you have your collar, so that clips out. That's the REV'IT sign there as well, if you can see it properly. Don't worry if you can't. And let's have a look at it. And the hanger, I love the hanger, REV'IT hanger as well. It's the small things that keep you happy. So let's have a look at the jacket. Just zip it open there. Okay. So the outside of it first, obviously, is we're padded on the shoulders too. So it's CE approved there as well. So see it there, and then on the arms as well. And there's this nice mesh lining around it here. So it's the REV'IT Eclipse jacket as well. Just to let you know what make it is. I'll have a link in the description below for the jeans and the jacket as well. And again, that's just your ARMR here as well, and a little Velcro on the sleeves here. So I ordered a large, as you can see there, because I knew I needed room with having a light hoodie or anything like that as well. And even if it was a bit big on me, I was able to pull these in as well. And also here you have these Velcro pieces here, so you can pull those in further as well. And they're on both sides, so happy days. REV'IT again, REV'IT symbol on the zips here. Nice deep pocket actually here. A second now, we'll get this open. So you can see there that mesh lining in there again. Really nice deep pockets. That pocket's the exact same as well. You have a nice little piece for the zip here. It's an extra little piece. Here is lovely as well. And see, it's all soft in here, so you don't get like a real itchy neck or anything like that. It's really soft. So I'm looking forward to taking the bike out for a spin now and seeing what this is like. But we'll have a look. I'll just pop this over here for 1 sec. So we're going to have a look at the inner line of the jacket. Here then we have the back pad. Now this didn't come with a back pad. This is off my winter jacket, so that's what I'm using for the back pad at the moment. I might upgrade to the level 2 C soft. I might upgrade to that. We'll see what this is like first, comfort wise as well. So we come with the shoulder pads. There they are, and just a little pocket in here. So it's Velcro again in here. Take these out and replace them if you want it for a higher level 1 I think they are anyway. Here, and it's the same over that side as well then as well. In here. Okay. And that's the Velcro here as well. Lovely mesh feel here. These are, as far as I know, to clip to your jeans, I think. I could be wrong, let me know if I am. but I think they are. And it's just all round quality here. Nice side pocket here as well, nice and deep. So happy with that. What I really like about this jacket as well, and I didn't see it obviously in the pictures, was the lining. So there's a lovely red lining here. See it on the side here. Really nice. I really like that. It's only a small touch, but I think it's really nice. And it's on the pocket there as well. So all in all, I'm really happy with this jacket. I fitted it on and it fits lovely. I'll put up pictures of it with the video as well. Yeah, it's just the quality is great. And I'm going to show you the back of it now as well. So that's the back of it now as well. How nice is that? That is really, really nice. Such a simple symbol, but such a really nice authentic brand symbol as well. Again, the smash feel here, mesh, mash. It's not spuds, it's mesh. So nice feel here as well. All really nice. You know, be safe, be seen, as they say. Now I was going for the brown color originally, but that was on the sports bike website, which I had issues with the import tax. I went for XL Moto, so I went with the silver instead, which I'm really, really happy about. I would have loved the brown jacket, but look, I'm really happy with that one as well. So the jeans. So they're the Coarse rocker jeans. So I'll show you here. As you can see there, they're the Coarse rocker jeans. These are really, really nice. So you can see the light blue. Really good. You have the knee pads here. And then you have the it's like a road resistant material here. Now you can get, excuse me, you can get protectors as well. So there's a little pocket in here, little pockets in there if you can see it properly. And the hip protectors go in either side as well. And again, you have that lovely mesh here as well, which makes it nice and soft. Really nice. Oh, it goes all the way down. They're actually really fitted nice as well. They wouldn't be your boot cut, they'd be a bit more fitted than that, but they wouldn't be slim fit either. So they're nice and comfy without being too baggy or without being too tight. Is the best way to describe it. I got mine in a 34 or 34, which is my normal size. So I'm really happy in those. The length is really good in them as well. So when I get on the bike, you'll have that extra bit of length that will come up, and it won't leave it too short. And really nice here. Look, nice buckle here. So I'll need a belt on that anyway. But overall, for €50, if I got a pair of these in the shop for going out for €50, I'd be absolutely delighted. Never mind with protection for your bike as well. So yeah, all in all, €170 well spent. Visually anyway, if they come up to the mark at all when I'm out on the bike, then it's going to be an absolutely brilliant deal. So again, it's an Irish company. I think it's an Irish company. They're based in Ireland anyway. xlmoto.ie. And the stuff is great. My friends have got stuff as well. They've got those same jeans, and they've got jackets, boots, gloves, loads of stuff from them, and they come in very well, especially now with the import taxes. When you're shopping in Ireland, it's so much better. You're not paying anything on top of it. Most of the deliveries with XL Moto are free, and you get a 10% discount online to a lot of the deals as well. It's definitely worth upgrading to your summer gear. This is my first summer gear. I can't wait to go out and ride it. This is my first summer gear, so I can't go out. This is my first summer gear, so I can't wait to go out and ride in it and see how nice and how light it actually is. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and Deise Rebel out.